back to my channel. So I'll be doing a Valentine look. I know when it comes to Valentine you instantly think about red color, but I wanted to keep this look more towards soft pink, so I hope that you guys will find this look helpful. With that being said, let's get ahead and get started with our video today. I'm going to start off by priming my face using MERCIER foundation primer. I'm just going to use my finger and apply it all over my face. Next, I'm going to use TILBURY Youth Glow, and it's really going to brighten up your skin, and at the same time it gives that soft glow to your skin. For the foundation today, Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation, the Holy Grail foundation. I'm just going to use my brush. This foundation has a very high coverage, but at the same time it has that matte finish. So if you are oily skin, you might want to go for this foundation. For my eyes today, I'm going to take my Desert DUSK palette from Huda Beauty, and I'm going to take this color Eden and apply it all over my crease. So for the transition today, I'm going to take this color Blazing, and then I'm just going to use my blending brush. I'm going to start it from the outer corner of my crease and then slowly drag it towards the inner corner. Next, I'm going to dig into this amethyst color, and then I'm just going to pack it in my outer crease and then work it on my crease and blend it all the way to the inner corner. Next, I'm going to take MAC Select Cover Up and go in and cut my crease. I've already done a video on it, so you know my jam. I'm gonna apply some color on top of it, so it's really gonna help to pop that color. I'm going to go into this color Twilight, and then I'm just gonna pack it all over my eyelid. I'm going to take my blending brush and then just blend everything together to avoid any harsh line. I'm going to take my gel eyeliner. This one is from Bobbi Brown in Gunmetal, and if you want to know how I line my eyes, just go and check a video. I've just made a new one. Hashtag no shame. Next, moving on to the concealer, I'm going to take my Tarte shape in light medium honey, and I'm just going to apply it underneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, forehead, cupid bow, and the chin. To contour my face, I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer, which I forgot to show, and then you're going to end up looking like this. And then I'm going to take my Damn Beauty Blender and blend everything out together seamlessly. Moving on, I'm going to take my MERCIER Translucent Powder, and I'm just going to take my Wet Beauty Blender and set everything in together, keeping that face snatched. And then I'm going to take my Tom Ford Bronzer to set that liquid bronzer in place. It's going to help to define and sculpt our face more. After that, I'm going to take my highlighter, which is MAC Soft and Gentle, and then apply it on the high point of my face. You know the drill. For the blush today, I'm going to take this two color from the NARS blush palette, and I'm just going to apply it on my cheeks. For my lower lash line, I'm going to go into this Blazing color, and then I'm going to apply it all over my lash line. Moving on, I'm going to take this amethyst color, and correct me if I'm wrong, and I'm going to smoke out the whole look. For the inner corner, I'm going to go into that Twilight color. So next, I'm going to pop on some lashes. So this is without lashes, and this is with lashes. For the lips today, I'm going to take my MAC Prolong Wear Lip Pencil in Shock Value, and I'm just going to line my lips using it. And for the liquid lipstick, I'm going to go into my Too Faced Melted Matte, and it's in the shade It's Happening. I'm just trying to be very careful with my lips because I've got ulcer. I know, TMI. And then I'm finishing off the whole look using my MAC Fix Plus. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope that you guys found this look helpful for your special day. If you are going out with someone new, all the best. I hope that everything turns out good for you. As for the rest, enjoy your day with your loved ones. With that being said, I'd like to sign off for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy Valentine, guys. Love you. Mwah. With your
Karma's a bitch.